You started recording?
Right now, yeah.
I have an axe. That is some wood that is too big. Let's see what happens. Yeah? What I can do. Not too much, it's rainy. Not ideal. You made another one. You made another one.
Like
Another
what?
axe.
Start.
Pretty sure the broken axe is a bummer.
Yeah.
Weak axe. It broke. This is plastic, hard plastic. It should work. But you can show. It was in the last video.
That was in the last video. It's the same video, but I just paused
You
it.
should add it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now.
Do it the other way.
Right now, the song upon us to wash away the evil. Just leave behind our good qualities and let us along with them. He can keep demons, Mr. Wonderful. He can live with them. He can keep the shadow people, whatever you see. All that. You like the word go? Pretty this one.